Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your LENOVO Tab K11 Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is make sure that you are turning the Bluetooth off and on first. This is very important because we want to make sure that we are restarting it. If it's not working, we're gonna go over here. It is enabled for me, so I'll turn this off and turn it on. Now the Bluetooth is back, and if you have your device paired right here, then what I would recommend you all to do is simply unpair it and to repair it again. So as you guys can see, it is searching for available devices. Now let me quickly hit refresh, and soon we should see the device popping up. As you guys can see here, I got my AirPods. Let's click pair, and now they are connected. So to unpair them, you click on the eye icon, click forget device, and now they are forgotten. So let's quickly enter the pairing mode again. I am using the AirPods Pro freeze, so I just double tap on the case, and these are the ones. And as you guys can see, it is still blinking blue, sorry, not blue but white. Once we pair them, we got a green light that they are connected, and that's how you guys are supposed to easily pair the devices. Now the next step, to restart the tablet and a Bluetooth device. So to restart the tablet, you press and hold the power button. Now you simply tap on reboot, and for the headphones, you just simply close them, wait for the light to disappear, and open them again. So this is a quick restart. Now it all depends on what headphones are you using. So this is the case for the AirPods 3 Pros, but if you're using a different ones, make sure to check how to restart them. Now the tablet is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart of both of the devices, what you guys should do is go over and simply update your software. So we're gonna go over and open up settings. First, let them load. Now they should open up any second. They are still loading because we just turned the tablet on. What are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and update our software by going to About Tablet at the bottom of the settings, and now the system update. Here we simply go over checking for updates automatically, and soon you should see the latest version popping up. If you have an update, then you will see it right here at the bottom. Download and install the latest version, and I would recommend you guys do that. It's very important because you definitely want to make sure that you're on the latest version, no other glitches on your device, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.